Got the cockpit interior built for the Tumbler, minus a few parts that I haven't put in yet. Goes together pretty good. You will have one little seam on the column, and right around here. I haven't added in the throttle or any of the control panels or the computers, but the parts fit good. I only have one problem, was the sidewall right here. It didn't want to fit flush. I recommend if you put the back wall and the side walls in first instead of sub-assembling them, and you'll get a tighter fit. But it's in, it's all that matters. The front cockpit fits real well with the added detail. If you want to light it, you'll need to really plan it, because there is not much space in between here or the dash to light the screens. But you can run fiber optic cable through it. See, right here is the headlights, which there ain't much space in between, but you can run fiber optic cables, which I test fitted and they do work. I'm leaving one side off because I'm doing the turret version. I'm letting it dry. Got the tires on. They fit good. Front tires. Did the engine housing. One thing I do recommend is the little brackets right here. I recommend gluing them onto this first and then put this on the housing, because it is a fiddle of a fit. But it goes together pretty good. You got a little seam right here. No big deal. Little sanding stick. Get that taken care of. Now I probably ain't going to light the interior, because technically you're only going to see about that much on the inside, unless you got the hatch open, and I'm going to smoke the clear parts, so you really can't see it. But I will light the headlights like I did here. And one thing on the rear, this is a vent, and you can actually like see greebles and stuff in here. On the kit, it's pretty much solid. So I'm going to cut all that out, add probably a photo etch screen mesh or something. Give it that little extra realism. But it's coming together, like so. It's crazy how much that can turn into this. All in all, going to be a fun build.